Osmond II was aware of the desperate need to repair the current state of affairs within the empire. The young sultan first signed the Treaty of Sarav with the Safavids before personally leading an incursion into Poland, which had previously interfered with Ottoman vassal states during the Moldavian Magnate Wars. Though another treaty was necessitated by the Ottomans' loss at the Battle of Chotin in 1621, Osmond was undeterred from his goal to mend the empire's prestige. Blaming the debased Janissary corps for what he deemed inadequacy during the previous ventures, the Sultan decided to close their coffee shops and slash their pay as punishment. Osmond was unable to follow through on a plan to overhaul his current forces and create a more reliable army before the outraged Janissaries rebelled. Sultan Osmond II was dethroned, imprisoned, and subsequently strangled to death, marking the first Sultan assassination performed by the Janissaries.